All right, we got a lady just dropped off a pair of shears. We're going to do a quick test on them, and then we're going to sharpen them and get them cutting better for her. As you've seen on some of my other videos, the first thing I do is a dry tissue test, and it's just very little pressure, and right there I can tell it doesn't cut all the way through the tip. So if it doesn't cut all the way through the tip on dry tissue, it's not going to cut wet tissue. It's going to be a disaster on wet tissue. So the next thing I go to is real human hair. And I know where the problem is, but I'm going to test it at the back and see if it cuts. And it pushes at the back. I test in the middle. It pushes in the middle. And I test the tip, and it's definitely pushing at the tip. So that's frustrating to her. So let's sharpen them. At this point, we don't need to test on tissue paper anymore because all it counts now is it cuts hair. So we're going to try the tip first, and it cuts clean, straight. Let's try it in the middle. Oh, it's beautiful. 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 Very little resistance. Try the tip one more time. Watch how clean it cuts. There we go. Those are cutting great.